Experiencing no service on your Walmart Family Mobile phone can be frustrating. Walmart Family Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, so outages on their towers directly impact your service. The most common causes are tower outages due to maintenance, weather, or high traffic. Tower outages due to maintenance, weather, or high traffic. SIM card issues where your SIM isn't properly connecting. IMEI problems, which is your phone's unique ID being mismatched or blocked. Account issues like plan expiration or lack of funds. Device incompatibility with T-Mobile's network bans or incorrect APN settings. We'll cover how to quickly diagnose and resolve these issues. Start with the simplest solutions. Toggle airplane mode on and off to force your phone to reconnect to the network. Restart your phone completely. Check your account status for plan expiration or payment issues via the Walmart Family Mobile app or website. If these don't work, perform a carrier reset through your phone's settings. Under Network Settings, Reset. Verify that your SIM card is properly inserted and undamaged. Try cleaning the SIM. Confirm your phone's IMEI hasn't been blacklisted by calling Walmart Family Mobile Support at 1-866-543-2279. Ensure your phone's APN settings are correct. The APN should be internet.mmscc.com. If problems persist and there is no widespread T-Mobile outage, consider contacting support or trying your SIM in another compatible phone.